This is the Earth's Ally insect control for organic gardening. We have a small garden in our backyard. We've used organic soil, organic seeds, and we wanted to make sure that if we're using any pest control, it was organic as well. So bought this one. It says it repels a bunch of different insects. Its use is for vegetables, fruits, and flowers. You can see the active ingredients here: rosemary oil, clove oil, peppermint oil, and then there's just other ingredients there as well. So it is bee safe, which is also important to us, and OMRI listed for organic use. So what I will say to you is that it has worked so well. This is our Swiss chard before, and as you can see, after spraying that, here is our new growth, much more. This actually may have been an older one. No bug bites there. It's done extremely well with our cantaloupe, our tomato plants. So how you use this is you are going to thoroughly cover your plant until there's some runoff, including the leaves and the stems. Directions are simple. You just shake well before using and then just spray your plants. It is safe for people, pets, and the planet. It has like a nice ergonomic grip, and here's the sprayer. Spray and a stop. They recommend to use it early in the morning or the evening and avoid the hottest part of the day. So if you're looking for something organic, something that is bee safe, safe for your organic gardening, that actually works well, I definitely recommend this product.